To answer the thumbnail question, is Dinuldog a dog? Alright, Dinuldog is not a dog, neither hot dogs. Alright, so Dinuldog is not a dog. It's a Filipino dish that is made of secret for now. I'd like you to watch the rest of the video so that you'll get to know and try this recipe at home that is very, very cheap and very easy to cook. But before I proceed to that video, come, I'm gonna show you something. Let's go. Oh, too much light. Alright, so here is the thing that I was gonna show you. This is a Facebook page of a cafe that doesn't have a physical store yet, but I do hope that you'll visit the page and get to know their products. The link of the page is in the description below, so please do a thumbs up, like, follow, comment to the post there. And please, if you're from YouTube and you decided to click that Facebook page, please say all hail. I mean, comment all hail. Alright, so that I would know that you're from YouTube watching my videos, and yeah, I will get note of you, and yeah, we'll see you in Messenger, and I don't know, let's see what will happen. But please do like the Lydia's Cafe. The link is below. Again, the link is in below, and don't forget to join the family, because I will gonna be uploading videos that is solely for the members of No Budget Show. What are those videos? That's for you to find out. And yeah, see you there. Now let's go back to Dinuldog. for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.